Porsche Boxster, 986 1996 to 2004. Grant Larson's design, inspired by the 356 Cabriolet, Speedster, and 550 Spider, stimulated a commercial turnaround for Porsche. Through consultation with Toyota, Porsche began widely sharing parts among models and slashed costs. By October 1991, following a visit to the Tokyo Motor Show, Porsche in dire straits, began to devise solutions to succeed the poor-selling 928 and incoming 968, a heavy update of the 944. In February 1992, Porsche began development of a successor to the 928, mildly updated for 1992, and recently released 968. By June 1992, out of 4 proposals based on dual collaboration between the 986 and 996, 993 successor, design teams, a proposal by Grant Larson and Pinky Lai was chosen by Harlaga A. In August 1992, a decision was made to develop the concept into a show vehicle, in time for the 1993 North American International Auto Show. After garnering widespread acclaim from the press and public upon presentation of the Boxster concept in January 1993, the final production 986 production exterior design by Larson was frozen in March 1993. However, by the second half of 1993, difficulties arose with fitment of some components, resulting in lengthening of the hood and requiring another design freeze by fourth quarter of that year. Prototypes in 968 bodies were built to test the mid-engine powertrain of the 986 by the end of 1993, with proper prototypes surfacing in 1994. Pilot production began in the second half of 1995, ahead of series production in mid-1996. The Boxster was released ahead of the 996. The 986 Boxster had the same bonnet, front wings, headlights, interior and engine architecture as the 996. All 986 and 987 Boxsters used the M96, a water-cooled, horizontally opposed, flat, 6-cylinder engine. It was Porsche's first water-cooled non-front engine. In the Boxster, it is placed in a mid-engine layout, while in the 911, the classic rear-engine layout was used. The mid-engine layout provides a low center of gravity, a near-perfect weight distribution, and neutral handling. The engines had a number of failures, resulting in cracked or slipped cylinder liners, which were resolved by a minor redesign and better control of the casting process in late 1999. A failure for these early engines was a spate of porous engine blocks, as the manufacturer had difficulty in the casting process. In addition to causing problems with coolant and oil systems mingling fluids, it also resulted in Porsche's decision to repair faulty engines by boring out the cast sleeves on the cylinders where defects were noted in production and inserting new sleeves rather than scrapping the engine block. Normally, the cylinder walls are cast at the same time as the rest of the engine, this being the reason for adopting the casting technology. The model received a minor facelift in 2002. The plastic rear window was replaced by a smaller glass window. The interior received a glove compartment, new electromechanical hood and trunk release mechanism, with an electronic emergency release in the fuse box panel, and an updated steering wheel. Porsche installed a reworked exhaust pipe and air intake. In addition, the front headlights amber indicators were replaced with clear indicators. The rear light cluster was also changed with translucent gray turn signals replacing the amber ones. The side marker lights on the front wings were changed as well from amber to clear, except on American market cars where they remained amber. The bumpers were also changed slightly for a more defined, chiseled appearance, and new wheel designs were made available.